Let us discuss about the factors causing disequilibrium in balance of payments. Number 1. Development scheme. The main reason of adverse balance of payment in the developing countries is the huge investment in development schemes. The propensity to input of the developing countries increases for the one-off capital for industrialization. The exports, on the other hand, may not increase because these countries are traditionally primary producing countries. All this leads to disequilibrium in balance of payments. Next, number 2, price-cost structure. Changes in price-cost structure of export industries affect the volume of exports and create disequilibrium in balance of payment. Increase in prices due to higher wages, higher cost of raw materials, etc. reduce exports and makes balance of payment unfavorable. Next, number 3, changes in foreign exchange rate. An increase in external value of money makes import cheaper and export dearer. Thus, imports increase and exports or balance of payment become expensive. Number 4, fall in export demand. A result of the large increase in the domestic production of foodstuff, raw materials and substitute goods in the rich countries, drastically the export earning of the primary producing developing countries decline. Similarly, advanced countries also find a fall in their export demand because of loss of colonial markets. Therefore, balance of payments position of both the countries become unfavorable. Number 5. Demonstration effect. The people in the less developed countries tends to follow the consumption pattern of the developed countries. As a result of demonstration effect, the imports of the less developed countries increases and create disequilibrium in balance of payment. Number 6. International borrowing and lending. It is also another reason for the disequilibrium in balance of payment. The borrowing country tends to have unfavorable balance of payment, while the lending country tends to have favorable balance of payment. Next, number 7, cyclical fluctuation. During depression, the incomes of the people in foreign countries fall. As a result, the exports of these countries tend to decline, which in turn produces disequilibrium in the home country's balance of payment. Next, number 8, newly independent countries. The newly independent countries, in order to develop international relations, need to make huge amount of expenditure on the establishment of embassies, missions, etc. In other countries, this adversely affect their balance of payment position. And lastly, we have population explosion. Another reason for adverse balance of payment in the poor countries is population explosion. Rapid growth of population in countries like India increases imports and decreases the capacity to export. Hoping that this video is helpful. So if you liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get everyday updates from our channel. Thanks for watching.